Hello, my name is Connie Kadansky. I'm a master certified coach living in Phoenix, Arizona, USA. The time and dollars that I invested in this team coaching program has been a significant part of my development and one of the most rewarding decisions I've made in my career. One of the real attractive features was the diversity of coaches that were in the class. What a lovely gift to be able to do peer coaching with people from different cultures, different perspectives, different countries. And it really made me feel like I was part of a global community. The Clifton Strength methodology fosters that positive, optimistic coaching approach. And Tamor, the coach and facilitator, is exceptional. He delights when we experience his challenge because he knows that is how we learn. This program is not just about team coaching. It is a personal journey of self-development, and it equipped me with the confidence to coach diverse teams. In our current environment that is being influenced by artificial intelligence, the human spirit and the human presence is irreplaceable. I wholeheartedly recommend this program to any coach who wants to be on the leading edge in this significant landscape of team coaching. Join us and join our inclusive global community. I look forward to meeting you.